So here's another unboxing video. Seems to be a lot of unboxing and really no shooting, and that's because it's still February and I can't stop buying, but I can't get to the shooting range. So anyways, this is actually not from Canned Ammo, who I generally buy everything from. I found this through a private sale online, and I've kind of been wanting one of these for a while now. So I don't know what kind of condition it's going to be in, because once again it's surplus. Usually packaged very well. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I threw in a box of 45 ACP. How nice. Nice little touch there. Good thing I have a 45. That is a Mosin Nagant, and she's in pretty hard shape. You know, the finish of the gun is pretty crappy, to say the least, but you know, it is a 80-year-old gun or whatever. Definitely have to take it apart and clean the cosmetic off it. A few other goodies in here. Looks like a cleaning kit, I think. Nope. Bayonet. Nice. Nice, nice. Just in case you're running out of ammo, you never know. Okay, so bayonet, ammo. Thank you to the seller. And some more goodies. Now this, okay, now this is the kit here. There's a few things in there. This is an old, looks like an ammo pouch of sorts. Pretty cool. Ammo pouch. Another ammo pouch. Another ammo pouch. Packed with all kinds of surprises here. Very, very cool. Now, let's see. Good. I was hoping this part would be in there. I noticed it wasn't with the gun. The bolt, very important. Now the bolt actually seems like it's in pretty good shape. A few marks on it, some machining marks and stuff, but you know, this is made in the 30s or 40s, so not bad. Not bad. Let's see. This wax paper stuff they used to wrap this crap in is the worst. I guess it keeps the oil, that's probably why they used it. Looks like some tools for working on the gun. Some more tools. Put the bolt up out of the box there so it doesn't get lost. And an old oil can. Look at that. I wonder if there's any. I think that's Cosmoline, not oil. Yeah, because there's definitely no oil in it. Okay, so yeah. Let's get you out. Get you out. Get rid of the box here. Check out our finished product. Nice. So, Mosin Nagant And I think this is just, I can't remember the model, it's like 9130 or something like that. Sorry, I probably got it wrong, so don't fix it in the comments, because I know. I should probably know what gun I'm buying. I knew what it was when I bought it, but just having a brain fart at the moment. So yeah, so once again, the wood's probably what I would consider rough shape, if not even worse than that. But the metal seems alright, which generally is okay with me, because like with most of my guns, I'm probably just going to buy a new stock anyways for it. Archangel has a really cool stock. So, yeah, take it apart, clean it up, and just like with everything else, as soon as I get a chance to take it out to the range, I'll do a video of that too. So, just like that. Cool. I find that weird, the straight up bolt. It's a little different, but alright. Until next time.